everybody, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from RecipeTime from China. These are very popular right now. Notice that guy, his name is Bobby Yip. He's an actor out of Hong Kong, and yeah, all the RecipeTime cups like this are featuring pictures of him. He's like their spokes guy. A lot of sachets here, boy. So we'll kind of walk through those. This is a hot, or a spicy and sour. So there'll be a spicy component. There will be a black vinegar component, because that's how it goes. This is probably, I don't know what this is. This feels clumpy, so I'm going with this as the spicy action. It might be both. We got some, these things have a lot of sachets. People ask me every once in a while, which one has the most packets with it? Which one? Which one? And I'm like, because they equivocate, the more packets it has, the better it's going to be. But that is not always the case. Sometimes, you know, but people seem to think more of them equals better. It's just not, you know. Take the river snail, for example. I'm really not a big, huge fan of river snail. I've had a couple that I like. But less that I've liked than liked. But it's very, very popular right now in China. And by those here in the US who have a similar palate. That's the black vinegar. A little bag of peanuts, we'll put that on as garnish at the end. And a wonderful, handy fork, not a chopstick. Or a pair of chopsticks. That would be really bad if you bought an instant noodle that came with chopsticks and you only got one. I guess you could just kind of poke at your noodle. Yeah. That's one that still drives me nuts. It's more authentic if you use chopsticks. Oh. So I'm guessing you paint your face black when you listen to rap too, huh? That's great. I don't know, it just seems like kind of the same kind of thing. Okay, come on, let me have just a little bit of extra water. That might just be enough. Alright. Now we're going to let this chill out for 5 minutes. And now we're going to make something that I'm going to use on this one and on the next one. The Wonder Chinese sausage. So let's get that cooking up really quick. Get down in that temperature range, not too crazy. That's like perfect. I'll just add a little bit more water. I think that actually will be good. Don't want to boil them too hard. Don't want to boil it dry. That's the worst thing you can do to a pot. And I don't like to do bad things. So it's Saturday morning. Oh, so tomorrow I've got a couple lined up. It won't be the one you see, the episode you see next, but after that. Or I'll just do it earlier. I don't know. I don't know if I'll do posts with them. I could just like actually release it tomorrow. It's May 7th right now. So One thing I've been wanting to do is go to 99 Ranch, and get a couple things. Green curry and coconut milk. Why? Because I've got the number 2 on my top 10 list here. This is Mom's Dry Noodle Scallop and Wadiao liquor chicken noodle soup. And I figured maybe add some green curry and some coconut milk, because you're supposed to boil this with an extra 200 mils of water. If I use 200 mils of coconut milk, it could make a really nice curry. So I figured, I've reviewed the heck out of it already, so yeah, it could be fun. I haven't done anything like that in a little while. And then I've got the, I don't know what number it is. Oh, actually, it's not on the top 10. Another product in the same range is, but the red box Asha noodle. If they didn't make the black box, the red box would be there anyways. Which is, it's really good. It's a beef noodle, so I was thinking maybe a little coconut milk and this. I wanted to get red curry paste. I got this. It's in a red can. King Kwa curry paste. Yeah, which now Kwa is crab. This might not work whatsoever, but it's worth a shot. So, yeah, we'll give that a go tomorrow. So I'm going to do 2 premium ones tomorrow. And God, it looks like a crappy day outside for going on a walk. We'll see what happens. I may or I may not. Come on, Chinese sausage. Like I said the other day, and I really should say it again, if you've never had dim sum, you need to go have some dim sum immediately. Big time. They've got these ones that have, it's like a big leaf, and then they put a bunch of rice in it, and then they put Chinese sausage in the middle, and then they wrap it all up and it gets steamed, and it's so freaking good. I love that one. Dim sum basically is just like, there's so many different varieties of these little small, little tiny bundles of wonderment and joy, like shumai and little soup dumplings and things like that. You can go to, what's it called? Din Tai Fung. Din Tai Fung is really good, but it's really spendy. And I like the little more mom and pop places where they do like little twists on things. Like you can get like curry cuttlefish. So you get like this little dish that's like full of curried cuttlefish, or honey walnut prawns, which is more of, I believe that's a westernized thing. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's not like traditional Chinese, because it has a lot of mayonnaise in it. Oh, the guinea pigs are getting up to their guinea pigitudes. Uh-oh. Ladies, you'll be nice over there. Easy. Toonie. Betty. Yeah, this is more than enough. So this is the last one of these Haichi Jia varieties that I've got, and I'm bummed because these have been a lot of fun, and honestly, they've been really quite good. There's been a lot of hype around them, and I think a lot of it is really well deserved. These are decent products. Wonderment, happiness, joy. Give it a nice stir, stir, stir. Yeah, I'm going for the... I knew I had some Chinese sausage in the freezer, and I thought it was like about time to use some of it. I used some recently. Oh yeah, I made some curry a while back that I put, I think it was chicken and Chinese sausage and buttered chicken sauce. That's right. Boy, that was a nice morning after. Yeah, I really like how it hydrates and the texture of this bean thread, or Sweet potato thread, rather. Wow, that was hot. Went right down my gulliver. Boy, oh boy. There we are. It's definitely sour and spicy. Sour from black vinegar, spicy from Szechuan pepper, and other peppers, I believe. Yeah. Nice note to end on with the series. I'm impressed. I do. It's nice because these guys do use a lot of Szechuan pepper, but it's savory. They don't go so overboard that it's just monotone. You get a lot of different flavor in it rather than just the one. 'Cause that makes me cranky. Like, I've had plenty of varieties that are out of China that are just, and Taiwan rather, and it's just overwhelming Szechuan pepper flavor. And that's not what you get when you go over there. It's not only that. You get a lot of different flavors. Wow, look at that. Whoa! So we're going to throw in some of the high holy Chinese sausage. Have a bite of that. Oh man. I use what was it? Camfen Chinese sausage. Really good. Works for me. Here's our peanut arrangement. We have arrangement with the peanuts. Peanuts are arriving. Some scallion. Could use a little bit of sesame seed. And you know, it feels like it's been too long since I've used this a lot. This is Lao Gan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. I think adorning the Chinese sausage, it would do well. God. And there we are, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, what a neat looking concoction that came out of China today. There we are.
So let's do 10 seconds for building, and I will get
Alright, thanks for watching. The next one we're going to see is this. Another one of the Hello Kitty varieties from Asha Dry Noodle. And it is the Karapi one. This is one of Hello Kitty's friends. And he's a frog, and this comes with silly spicy sauce. So you can catch that one tomorrow on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Oz the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.